Welcome to this video. So today I'll be demonstrating the difference between your solid copper cable and your CCA, also known as the copper cladded aluminum cable. So I'm just going to discuss the difference between the two in terms of performance and safety, and I'll also make a demonstration of how it poses a safety hazard. So let's start with the one on the left, which is your CCA. So visually these two look the same, but if you look deeper into them, you will see that they're actually different. So if I'm to, like the name says, this is copper cladded aluminum. So what it means is the core of this wire is aluminum, and then it's coated with a really thin layer of copper. So if you were to take this out, take the outer layer out, you will see that it changes color. So what you see inside as you can see, that looks more of silver and gold on the inside. So that's your aluminum. So this aluminum is the one that's responsible for the lightweight, the overall lightweight of the CCA as to compare to the pure copper cable. So this has a lot, the CCA, this has a lot of disadvantages. One of them being that it actually does violate the several standards, the several IEC standard, and also it violates the ANCI and also the TIA because of its data and PO transmission characteristics, and also not applicable for both high and low voltage application due to its the fact that it poses fire hazards. So that is one of the main difference between the two. So another thing, CCA, because of the core, which is aluminum, it has a higher attenuation as more data needs to be retransmitted. So the fact that data needs to be resent again means that you have losses in your network, and also means that it becomes way slower, significantly slower as compared to the transmission for the solid copper. So question you want to ask yourself is whether saving a few cents is worth compromising the transmission performance. As far as the mechanical side is concerned, this copper cladded aluminum has a lower tensile strength as compared to the solid copper. So that means you can't it can be broken just by pulling it apart. The fact that it has a lower bend radius, it means that you can't bend it as much as you would with a solid copper cable. So from this, you can safely conclude that the solid copper cable has a superior performance and mechanical characteristics over the copper cladded aluminum. So now I'm just gonna do a real life test just to illustrate the difference between these two cables. So this is the CCA. I'm trying to bend it just to illustrate. So as you can see, when we bend this one, it actually bends. It loses its structural integrity. But if you do the same test for the pure copper, you will see that it retains the structure. So as you can see, the solid copper has more better mechanical performance as compared to CCA.